off of the hip hinge, and we're gonna do a kettlebell deadlift. First of all, we want to line the kettlebell handle up with that top shoelace so that kettlebell handle is a nice straight path, okay? Have nice vertical shins here. Nice 45-degree angle of the hips, so I'm in a good morning position. My chest is set, my core is set. Stand up, come down, grab the kettlebell, look straight out so we have a neutral neck. Lift to the knees, your back. Down, forward view. Hips go back, kettlebell goes down, let go. Want to make sure we're working on a rapid extension of the hip and knee at the same time. Hip goes back, stand up quick. That's the kettlebell deadlift. Then we build into power, using it a little bit more, and we'll build into the kettlebell swing, the clean, and the snatch.